Hi, welcome back to French Step by Step. This is lesson number 11. You will learn the three different spellings of the sound F. If you enjoy the course, make sure you subscribe to my channel. La lettre F, one F, is usually placed at the beginning of words. One F is also often placed after the consonants N, R, S, and L. Double F. We find them often in the middle of words and after vowels. Here is an example of a word that contains a double F. Coffre, coffre. PH are two letters that present the sound F in French. They are found in words of Greek origin. For example, phoque, phoque. Merci d'avoir regardé. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.